The Christmas color of red isn't random, it's the color of the blood that flowed from the wounds of Jesus Christ as he died for the sins of the world. Making available to you the greatest gift you could ever receive in 1,000,000,000 times 1,000,000,000 years. There are two kinds of people in this world: those who are made of the essence of God and know that they are one with this essence, and those who are made of the essence of God but do not know it. In our trials and failures, God desires to draw us closer to Him through His Word, prayer and the saints. All through Scripture the heavens are associated with the dwelling place of God, and it is clear that we should seek to dwell where God dwells. God chose many for many reasons, but many are left wondering why He picked a woman as young, poor and vulnerable as many. Perhaps it was to demonstrate that God sees everyone as equals and there is no class destination when it comes to kingdom matters. When I wake up every morning, I thank God for the new day. God gave us the gift of life. It is up to us to give ourselves the gift of living well. I just find myself happy with the simple things, appreciating the blessings God gave me. Life is good because God is great.